It's me, Anita, coming to you with a Anna Griffin Spellbinders Diamond Press and Elizabeth Craft collab hosted by Poetspice. And in this collab, we already used one of those designers and used their products. So this month, I decided once again to use Anna Griffin just because I have so many boxes of hers. So this is the Christmas box. Nope, I'm sorry, not Christmas. It's the birthday box. And well, you know what? I'm going to show you a couple of these too. Look there. Little did I know. And this is what I have made using this, some of the things I have made in this box. So, excuse me. Okay. All right, that's all I have for you today. For those who haven't subscribed, I appreciate it if you do. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you. And remember, there's a list of participants. Please go down and take the time to see their stuff. Okay, until next time, you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.